Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about BlackBerry Q10. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of BlackBerry Q10 and upcoming price of BlackBerry Q10 and also expected price of BlackBerry Q10 and the official warranty given by the company, yes or no. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of BlackBerry Q10. Here we have built-in quantity of OS, BlackBerry 10 OS, dimension 119.6 into 66.8 into 10.4 millimeter, dimension 139 gram, color black and white, frequency 2G band, SIM 1 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900, 3G band HSDBA 850 slash 1900 slash 2100, 4G band LTE 700 slash 850 slash 1700 slash 1900. Here we have in processor of CPU dual core 1.5 GHz, Careweight LTE version Cortex A9, chipset Snapdragon S4 LTE version TI OMAP 4470 non LTE. Here we have in display of technology Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen 16 color multi-touch, size 3.1 inches, resolution 720 into 720 pixel. Here we have in memory built-in 16 GB, built-in 2 GB RAM, card micro SD card, support up to 64 GB. Here we have in camera main 8 megapixel 3264 into 2448 pixel autofocus LED flash. Features geotagging, face detection, image stabilization, video. Front 2 megapixel. Here we have in connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 A/B/G/N dual band, Bluetooth V 4.0 with A2DP, GPS a GPS only radio. This variant not support any FM radio. USB-S, NFC-S data GPRS Edge 3G, Edge 3G and 4G LTE. Here we have in features sensor, accelerometer, gyro proximity compass, audio 3.5 mm, audio jack speakerphone, browser HTML5, messaging, SMS, MMS, email, pushmail, IM, games built-in plus downloadable, torch yes, extra GPU, QWERTY, keyboard, document viewer, predictive text input, BlackBerry Maps, document editor, organizer, photo viewer, NFC sport, voice memo, dial, predictive text input, speakerphone. Here we have in battery of capacity 2100 mAh, standby up to 312 hour, talk time up to 10 hour. Here we have in price was not available. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.